Hi, I'm Dee. I work as a facade coordinator at Kapitol Group. As we all know, construction is a fast-paced industry. I think the value our team adds to our projects to give second site-to-site teams to overview details and installation methods at the site to ensure we are not causing any quality issues and time lost. It is really important to build those relationships with site teams so they can feel confident enough to ask any question they need to ask related to facade, any concern they are thinking about. Sometimes that is not really the case with consultants or other stakeholders. So it is really important for me to describe what are the risky points, what we need to raise with different stakeholders. Since while we start to use BIM on our jobs, which means, of course, that's a tool for me to check how everything is working together. So before I was checking this on 2D drawings, now it is much easier to overlay things in 3D and check how things are. Then, I also could add my comments to BIM 360, which means they will not stay on paper. They will stay on the software, which means architect or whoever you assign going to see and respond those comments. So everything is to make system more efficient, same as with VisiBuild. Even I don't go that site at that day, I could look the software and see how the installation is, and if I notice something that looks incorrect, then I can take that photo and send back to site team and say, hey, this doesn't look to me right, so what's going on, or can we make sure we fix this before we go to next step? So these are all really good tools to ensure what we are doing is right. This is a kind of always a learning process, it never stops. But like my experiences as a background, I study architecture. I work as a facade designer, and I also work for over 10 years in contractor companies. So I am able to justify like each different interest of different stakeholders, like what would architect care most if we do this modification, let's say, or what is going to be a hold point if you change something for consultant or from facade designer point of view. So I think like having this combined experience, giving opportunity to look from different perspectives and support site team from different points.